Osmosis, diffusion. Diffusion is a spread of substance throughout space, and this is because of this continuous random movement of particles. And the diffusion law is any substance, it always diffuses from high concentrate to lower concentrate. As you see on the first picture, this is at very high concentrate, but on the neighbor is low concentrate. So what will happen? They tend to diffuse onto the lower concentrate and diffuse onto the lower concentrate and spreading it out. So diffusion, this law is talking about spread of substance throughout the space, and this diffuse from high concentration to a low concentration. Remember, diffuse from high concentrate to a low concentrate. Now I'm going to talk a special type of diffusion. This rule is quite opposite. The water, they move from low concentrate to high concentrate. Look, from low concentrate to high concentrate. Don't you think this is a bit upside down? And this needs a bit of a trick. You need to have a semi-permeable membranes. What is a semi-permeable membranes? Half permeable membranes, half permeable skin. These membranes will only let certain particle of size to go through, and certain particle size would not go through. Let me demonstrate. Here I have a layer in the middle. You see the holes are not too small, but it's not too big. The tiny water particle I represent in blue dot. On this blue dot, I represent its water particle. And then on the other side, I put some big particle. For example, glucose. It is a big particle. I let it through. Do you think this glucose can pass through this hole to the other side? No, it can't, because the hole too small. But can the water from this side move across? Yes, it can. Water particle can go both sides. And now see osmosis effect, what happened. Osmosis, you need two rules. Rule number one, you need to have these semi-permeable membranes. Rule number two, you need to have a particle that attracts water. So on one side. Now when this particle only allowed to be on one side and it will attract water, what will happen? Now let's see. You see more and more water particle will go towards the big particle side, the glucose. Now the glucose side, the water become higher concentration. So the water move from low concentration towards high concentration because these semi-permeable membranes. And now you can see the big particle cannot pass through to the other side, but the water will follow onto the glucose particle. And so this makes this funny effect of water move from low to higher concentration because of these semi-permeable membranes. Thank you.